Good morning, students. My name is Sarabjit Singh and I'm an English teacher. In the previous lecture in class 6, we were discussing the exercises of tenses. So इसको continue करते हैं. Fine. So in the previous lecture, we have discussed exercise A, exercise B. So today we will continue exercise C, D, and okay. So page number 76. Exercise number C. I do like lemonade very much. I told you in present tense you have to use first form without any changes. So to like will be same as like because I भी you देके साथ हम as it is verb use करते हैं. So in C like will be same as like. Next one. The girls always, girls, plural subject. So verb is listen. Listen will be same as listen. Third one. Janet never to wear. Janet singular character. Wear will be converted as wears. Because singular subject है. Mr. Smith obviously singular subject. तो वर्ब में ऐसे yes का यूज करेंगे. To teach Spanish and French. So teach will be converted into teaches. Question 5. You to do your homework after school. That means do singular verb. So plural subjects में हम लोग verb में change नहीं करते हैं. तो do will be same as do. So, I like lemonade very much. The girls always listen to pop music. Janet never wears jeans. Mr. Smith teaches Spanish and French. You do your homework after school. Alright? Okay. That was exercise C. Now we'll start exercise D. Fill in the correct form of the verbs. We, bracket is to have a nice garden. Basically, I भी you दे के साथ हम लोग have का use करते हैं. That means plurals के साथ आप have का use करोगे और singular में आप has का use करेंगे. So with we have to use have. So that is we have a nice garden. So answer will be have. Alright. She to be. I told you अगर हम present में be का use करते हैं, for example option में be given है and you are talking about present, so it will be is am are. Okay. If you are talking about past, so be will be was. Fine. तो हम present की बात कर रहे हैं. The subject is she. तो she के साथ हम use करेंगे is. And the second one will be is. Clear? Third. Simon to have means has का use करना है. 2 rabbits and 5 goldfish. तो Simon singular subject है. तो has में हम use करेंगे has. Fourth one. I same be given है तो I के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं am. We have to use am. And the fifth one they be is given तो they के साथ we will use are. So we have a nice garden. She is 6 years old. Simon has 2 rabbits and 5 goldfish. I am from Vienna, Austria, and they are Sandy's parents. Clear? Exercise E. Make negative sentences. So आपको यहाँ पे नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस का यूज करना है. मीन्स इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिंपल प्रेजेंट, सो यूज डू डज प्लस नोट एंड इज एम आर प्लस नोट. ओके, सो माई फादर मेक्स ब्रेकफास्ट. फादर सिंगुलर कैरेक्टर एंड वी विल यूज डज नॉट विद फादर, क्योंकि फादर के साथ हम लोग डज नॉट का यूज करते हैं. सो माई फादर डज नॉट मेक ब्रेकफास्ट. Here, second, they are 11, so they are not 11. She writes a letter, so she singular character obviously does not. Fourth one, I speak Italian. So I, we, you, they, we have to use do not. I do not speak Italian. I do not speak Italian. Fine. Danny phones to his father on Sundays. So Danny singular character, we have to use does not. Danny does not phone to his father on Sundays. Clear? So, my father makes breakfast. My father does not make breakfast. They are 11. They are not 11. She writes a letter. She does not write a letter. I speak Italian. I do not speak Italian. Danny phones to his father on Sundays. Danny does not phone to his father on Sundays. Clear? Okay. Question F, make sentences. So you have to just convert into interrogative sections of you to speak English. Okay. So we have to convert into question forms. So verb will be speak, object will be English. So we will convert into interrogative formation. So clear? Do you speak English? And we are converting into interrogative. So question mark will be put. Okay. Second one, where he to go home. So we have to convert into interrogative. So the verb is go, direction home. So when. When he to go home. So when does he go to home? Clear? When does he go to home? So you can write to because it is marking the location. And you can omit also. आज को omit भी कर सकते हैं. Third one, they to clean the bathroom. So we have to use do does with they and we will consider do. Okay. Do they clean the bathroom? Okay. Where she to ride her bike? So what is ride and where we have to use with interrogative. Where does she ride her bike? Where does she ride her bike? Billy to work in the supermarket. So Billy singular character and interrogative formation we have to use does. Does Billy work in the supermarket? Because she is a singular character. Does Billy work in the supermarket? So you to speak English will be do you speak English. Where he to go home will be when does he go to home. Okay. They to clean the bathroom, do they clean the bathroom. Okay. The fourth one, where she to ride her bike will be where does she ride her bike. Where does she ride her bike. And the last one, Billy to work in the supermarket. Does Billy work in the supermarket. So now we will start present continuous tense exercises on page number 78. So complete the following sentences with either the simple present tense of the verb and present continuous form of the verb. Fine. So let's go inside now. We are having 10 questions in it. In it, so begin with it we have to use s or es because it is singular character. So let's go inside now. It begins to rain, so that is begins. We will use s or es because it is simple present tense. Look, we will consider present continuous, and in present continuous we will use ism or ing. So look, the boys are plural subjects and we will use are with it. Plurals के साथ are का use करते हैं. The verb is come, so that is are coming. I like chocolate ice cream. Normal sentence is given and we will use like. Like will be same as like because in simple present form we will not do any changes in I, we, you, they. So like will be same as like. Fourth one, the wind dash very strongly today. So today that means present continuous tense. To blow is a verb and the wind singular character. We will use is blowing. I chat with my friend at the moment. So we will consider verb plus ing because I told you in the cases of at the moment we will use present continuous form. And according to this rule, we will use is MR plus ing. And with I, we use am. So chat will be converted into chatting and we will use am. Am का use करेंगे इसमें because at the moment is given, तो इसलिए is MR plus ing. My teacher know a lot about plants and animals. Normal sentences is given no singular verb and my teacher is also a singular character. So we will use as or es. So know means knows. यहाँ पर knows का use करेंगे. We are trying to catch the ball means present continuous जो है sentence will be given. So that roll down the hills. So that means verb में भी हम is MR का ही use करेंगे. इसमें roll will be converted into rolling and we are having that is considering with singular and that और these singulars के साथ use होता है. Those और these basically plurals में use होते हैं. तो present के लिए that में इसका use करेंगे and we will use ing with roll. The children go swimming every day. Normal sentences and children plural subject. So go will be same as go. You can use for also for making proper sentences. Dad never let. It will be same as this. Okay. My mother. Now, at the moment now, we will consider is our ing. Okay. So my mother is making. Alright. That means in exercise A, let's go inside now. It begins to rain. Here. Look, the boys are coming. Third one. I like chocolate ice cream. Fourth one. The wind is blowing very strangely today. Strongly today, and I chat with my friend at the moment. My teacher knows a lot about plants and animals. We are trying to catch the ball that is rolling. The children go for swimming every day. Dad never let us play in the street when it's dark. And the last one, my mother is making breakfast now. I think it is sufficient for today. So today we have discussed the exercises of present, simple present and present continuous. So in the next lecture we will continue upcoming exercises. Alright, thank you.